let me show you how to change the straps on your Huawei Watch Fit 4. By the way, if you're looking to get new straps for your watch, I'll leave special links where you can get them for the cheapest price. So for example, on AliExpress, if you follow the special links, you can get like really decent quality straps for literally like $2 basically. So yeah, absolutely it's insane. By the way, also you see in this listing, they have like tons of different styles to choose from, different colors, again different strap styles, and again for little like $2. So also that is with free shipping as well, obviously. So again, check that if you need decent quality straps. So, and to release a strap over here, see, you literally have this tiny knob over here, and what we really have to do is we have to take our fingernail over here and simply push this knob inside, and then the strap essentially releases itself. So let's try it. So as you see, if I push it in, so this is essentially what it looks like. And as you see, the mechanism is absolutely awesome. So again, same on the other side. So again, changing straps on this watch is insanely easy. So if you want to pop it back on, so again, simply like snap it in, as you see, so it will make a click, and that's pretty much it. So again, as you see, just how insanely easy it is to change the straps on this watch. So it really is one of the easiest watches actually to do it. And again, if you actually want decent quality straps, really there is no need to overpay. So like your local place probably will charge you like $20 for a strap easily, but again, they do not cost anything much. So if you actually know where to purchase them, so again, check those links. Anyway, good luck.